What should you avoid when selling your home? Welcome back to my channel. If you have yet to smash that like button, make sure you give me the thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions. Produce 3 videos a week for you to be informed and to know what's going on with the real estate market. Avoid overpricing, please. If your home is worth $1 million, don't price it $1.3 million because you're now not letting those who can actually qualify for that $1 million to come and view your home because you're trying to be at 1.3. If it doesn't sell, if you're not getting any showings, you're not getting any viewers, guess what? You're overpriced. Make sure that you speak to your professional real estate agent and you go over today's market, which means we go back and we look at the prices and we really try to understand what your home is worth. So when we go out on the market, it will actually sell instead of sitting there and helping your competition sell. Someone decides to sell, the first thing they do is they call me and they ask me, should I spend $50,000, $100,000 into renovations? And I always tell them it depends. Remember, renovations will not increase the value of your home. What it will do, it will help you sell faster. Because having a brand new roof on a home that is 30-year-old, it's a normal, I'm expecting you to do it. Like as a professional real estate agent, this is something that we expect the seller to do. So you can't really say this is an upgrade. However, you can change your kitchen to a nicer, modern kitchen with nicer appliances. This is something that will definitely help you sell faster, but it doesn't mean it will increase the value of your home by a lot. So keep that in mind. One thing that will increase the value of your home is finishing the basement, because a finished basement actually gives you extra square footage for the next buyer to enjoy. So if you are thinking of investing into your home, finishing your basement is probably going to be one of the first things I will encourage you to do when it comes to reselling. Buyers are expecting you to do a virtual tour. That's one thing. High definition photos is another thing. You don't want to go in and see a home taking with a cell phone photos because you will discourage lots of buyers from coming through your doors and actually seeing the home. So make sure you hire a professional photographer. And lastly, investing money into marketing. I know a lot of agents say they do it, but ask them very simply. Tell them, show me what have you done with other properties. You're interviewing a real estate agent, a professional real estate agent. Ask for reference. Ask them to showcase their work. Just because they have sold homes previously doesn't mean anything. It is now new normal. We need to adapt, and you need to be able to ask them for reference to show how successfully have they sold their properties, other properties, and what have they done to succeed. And what we do as professionals, we have a kit. When you're listing with us at home, we have a kit including masks, including sanitizers, including gloves, including shoe covers. So whenever a buyer comes through the doors, they have protective equipment with them to keep you guys safe. To us, you're our clients. As a seller, you're the client, and it is our responsibility to make sure that we keep you safe as well as your family. So keep that in mind. When you are hiring a professional real estate agent, make sure that they follow the health ministry guidance to avoid anything that could harm your family. Let's make sure that we get you ready to sell, and we do everything we can to make sure that we maximize the number of dollars that you will make at the end of the day. When you're getting a viewer, someone who is inquiring about a home and wants to view it, please do me a favor, never deny or decline this showing, because every buyer could be a serious buyer and it could be the right buyer for your home. So whenever we get a showing, we right away we confirm it, because you don't want that buyer to go out and buy your neighbor's home instead because you declined the showing. If you have any other questions, please comment below, join our social media, smash the like button, give me the thumbs up, show me some love, show me some care, and I'll see you in the next one.